Okay, here we go. Is our newest addition to the fleet of junk. It's a 2008 Chrysler Aspen Limited with a 5.7 Hemi in it. It's a 4x4 automatic. As you can see, the thing was hit in the front. You got a right front hit, you got a left side hit. Got a good right front door, good power heated mirror. Right rear door is no good, it's rotted all on the bottom, as is the quarter. You do got glass and regulator in the right rear door. You got the roof rack. There's no crossbars, just the both rails. Got a rear right side tail light. Bumper cover is no good, but it does have the rear faucet with the hitch assembly. You got a rear gate, heat wiper, privacy with a camera. There's your left rear tail light. Left rear quarter is also rotted. Good privacy quarter glass. As you can see, the doors are wrecked on the left side. You do got a good regulator, good privacy tinted. These are laminated glasses in this vehicle. Do got a sunroof up there. There's your left front. Two outside door handles. As you can see, the suspension. Left side of the truck was wrecked pretty good. Let's go to the inside. First off, we're going to go to the back of the truck, which has the third row seating, which is a 60/40. They call it a khaki graystone. That's the color of the interior. We got the rear buckets, which are heated. Well, like a little, what do they call that? A little velour, so to speak, patches in the both sides on the outer edge. The front seats are no good, but they 8-way driver side. With a 4-way passenger side, they are power heated, as you can see. Memory seats. There's your memory button. Here are your window switches, which are dual automatics. The headlight switch with a fog and a dimmer. There's your 115 volt AC with power pedals. Radio's no good. You do have automatic dim. Visors are laminated, illuminated, or have a damn light in them, and they work. You can check that on the video. Steering column is loaded up. Tilt cruise delay, column shift, tilt. It's got the tow haul. It's got 164,357 on the clock. Automatic temper controls. There's your heated front seat panel down below with the stability control, analog camera, and pretty much that's it for this vehicle. Get a little bit under the hood here. Here's your 5.7 Hemi. Okay. You got some parts. You do got a grill, believe it or not. The grill's good in this thing. Here's your BCM. Fuse boxes, all that kind of nonsense. And that's it for this vehicle. If you want, you can give us a call at 631-286-5500. H for Mo, Larry, or Curly. Shemp on Tuesdays and Fridays, like always. Or get us on the internet at allamericanautorecords.com. You can also call us, don't call us, but get us on our YouTube channel. And while you're there, please subscribe to our channel. And you can see all of our cars as we got them. Okay, that's it. Take care. Thank you.